Guys, this is 2025 and a lot of people are making money where they are sleeping on their bed. In fact, a lot of people are making money every blessed day where they are sleeping on their bed. This is 2025 and there are a lot of things happening in this 2025, and right now in this video I'm going to review some app for you which you can also be using and be making massive money for yourself every day where you are sleeping in your bed. In fact, you can be going to your office, you can be going to school if you're a student, and you will still be making money with these three apps I'm going to show you right now in this video. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to my channel, I am Nupe Flavor TV. In this channel, we'll teach you how you can make massive income for yourself, how you can be doing your side hustle, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you guys these three apps which you can start using for yourself and start making money for yourself. These are legit apps that you are using every day. A lot of people are using this app every day, but they don't know they can use it and make money for themselves. But in this video, I'm going to review it to you how you can be making money with the app. In fact, I'll also show you how you can download this app on your phone and set it up, and you'll be making money with it. Now, the first one on our list is what you call Utmost. This app, people have been using it a lot, but they don't know the use of it. In this video, I'm going to show you right now how you can start using this app and start making money for yourself. Now, this is the app. As you can see, to make money on this app, all you just have to do is just to click on this up here. When you click on it here, you are going to see get up to 1,000 naira in reward. So all you just have to do is just to copy your referral link and you start inviting people, and the more you invite people, the more money you make. Every individual you invite to this platform, you earn 1,000 naira. So if you can be able to invite 100 people, you are earning 100,000 naira. So all you just have to do is just to register on the app, and the link to this app will be in the description of this video, or you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you go and download it. When you download it, you are going to see it like this. This Utmost app is known for investment. Yes, a lot of people use it to invest. It's one of the best investment app which people are using right now to buy stock. You can also use it to save money. People are using it to save money, and also people are using it for investment. But a lot of people don't know they can also make money from it when they are saving money or when they are investing. You can also earn extra money from it by inviting people to this app, and when you invite people, you also be earning commission for inviting people. Now the second one on our list is what we call Bamboo. A lot of people use this app every day to invest their money, to also save their money, but they don't know they can also earn money from it by inviting people to this app. Yes, you can earn money from it, and all you just have to do is just to click on your profile icon here, and when you click on your profile icon, you are going to see invite friends. When you click on invite friends, this is where you are going to see copy link, and when you copy your link, you invite your friends. When your friends sign up with your link, you also be earning commission. As you can see, refer a friend and get 1% of their fixed return lock over $100 to 2.5% of their first trade over $20. As you can see, when you refer people and those people invest on this platform or they save money, you also be earning some commission for inviting people to this platform. So this app is paying a lot of people just by referring people to the app, and a lot of people are using it daily, but they don't know how to earn money from it. Now you can use this method and earn money from it. And also this Bamboo app is also used for investment. People use it for investment to buy their stock. You can buy US stock from the app. People also use it to save their money. Yes, people save their money here. As you can see, you can save money if you're from Nigeria. Saving money, people use this app a lot every day. So if you want me to also do a video on how you can use these apps to save your money, or how you can be buying stock or invest on this app, let me know in the comment section of this video. Just comment Bamboo app in the comment section, or just comment Utmost on the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make video and teach you how you can be buying stock on this platform or on this app, and also how you can be making investment on this app. I'll make a video about that. So meanwhile, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purpose. You can also make your own research before you do anything investment or any platform you see investment online. You can make your own proper research, because I am not a financial advisor. This is a disclaimer to let you know that yes, I am not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who created the platform or promoting the platform. This video is just for educational purpose. Now let's move to the last one. The last one will shock you because a lot of people are using this last one, but they don't know they can also earn money from it. The last one is what you call piggyvest. Yes, on piggyvest you can also earn money for yourself just by referring people to the app. When you refer people to the app, those people sign up, you also be earning some money for yourself for inviting these people to the app. And all you just need to do is just to click on your account icon here, and when you click on your account icon, you scroll down, you are going to see refer and earn. As you can see, refer and earn. Every individual you refer, you earn 1,000 naira for inviting those people to this app. And also this app is used for investment or saving money. A lot of people use it to save their money, and a lot of people also use it to invest. When you click on invest here, you are going to see different type of opportunity which you can invest on. As you can see, they have a lot of them, and you can also start saving your money. As you can see, it have different place where you can save your money and you earn some commission for saving your money in this app. So if you want me to also make video about this on how you can start saving money on piggyvest or how you can start investment on piggyvest, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make that video to you. I'm going to make that video. So this app I just listed right now, these 3 apps, you can try any of them by inviting people to this app, and you'll be making money for yourself. This is not about making you rich overnight or a quick money. No, it is not quick money, but you'll be earning small commission for yourself every day just by inviting people to this app. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.